In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change divider colors in Notion. This is a simple but powerful visual trick that can instantly make your pages look more organized, more polished, and much easier to read. If you like customizing your Notion workspace and want more control over how your layouts look, this method is something you will definitely want to know. Before we change divider colors, I will first show you how to create a divider using this approach, just in case you are not familiar with it yet. Start by opening Notion and going to the page where you want the divider to appear. Once you are on the page, click anywhere in the exact spot where you want to place the divider. This could be between sections, under a heading, or anywhere you want to visually separate content. With your cursor active, type a / to open the block menu. From there, type inline and choose inline equation from the list. This will insert a small equation box directly into your page. Inside that equation box, you are going to type a specific line of code that creates the divider. Type \color, followed by curly braces with the word blue inside, then type \rule with curly braces containing 2 points, and another set of curly braces containing 400 points. You may want to pause the video at this point so you can carefully copy the code. As soon as you finish typing the equation, you will see a divider appear. The word blue in the code controls the color of the divider, which is why it shows up as blue by default. This is where the customization comes in. To change the divider color, simply click back into the inline equation and replace the word blue with another color name, such as green, red, or magenta. Once you make that change, the divider color updates instantly. You can repeat this process as many times as you want on the same page or across different pages. You can even copy and paste the inline equation and just change the color each time to match different sections. This makes it easy to create visual structure and maintain a consistent style throughout your Notion workspace. And that is it. You now know how to create a divider in Notion and how to change its color using a simple inline equation. Save your page, adjust the colors to match your layout, and enjoy a cleaner and more visually organized setup. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.